I hope you know about the initiative that's happening. So, what do you actually feel about the initiative? How happy does it make you feel?
Actually, I'm so inspired. If I have to get married today, I would love to, have my wedding planned exactly in this way. Because seeing, a lot of wastage nowadays, whatever is happening, this is a truly, truly required initiative from all the younger generation. They have to start so many initiatives. In fact, not only for weddings, probably for, going further other functions also, we could try, similar kind of, thing. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. So, I guess you know about this wedding with purpose, the entire concept. So, what do you think about this?
So the bride herself announced now in the mic, and it's so nice to hear a bride talking on stage to all the guests. So it is like what she has done along with the family's thing. Like everybody wanted to do something bigger or something more lavish or grandeur. Like that is not like the purposeful. The name says it all. The wedding with a purpose, and of course the two hearts. I am actually a big fan of her from almost couple of years back. A girl like her doing, starting an NGO and doing it wholehearted. So it is like doing with wholeheartedly, like because half the way you might think it's difficult. I went backward. It's not like that. It's very nice. Like she's doing. I wish her all the best.
Will you share this with your friends and family, and will you make this wedding?
Yeah. Please send us the links on what you're doing, so we'll have it shared with everyone. I think most of the ladies are aware of the plastic waste and things like that, and how to recycle and how to do a purposeful recycle. So I think she will have bigger ideas, so we can connect with her and have that done at a later time. Thank you very much.
A good start. So everybody should know about all these things so that people can start adopting because a lot of plastic waste are now being generated, especially in weddings. So it's a very good start. Hope this gets spread to different people and lots of people get to know about this. So that all the weddings should be with the purpose and nothing should be without
Giving a new life to the waste while starting a new life.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Like, so will you say this to your friends and family?
Definitely. So we'll try to incorporate it in future weddings as well.
Thank you.